right? We like, oh no. Please, please don't piss me off. Well, hello. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. They sent me a unit to try for you guys. This is my first time working with them, and what better way than during sip and slay. But it's hot, okay? I got my water and my teeth hurt. It's a new tray day, and that front tooth is sensitive. I'm gonna go ahead and nurse my water and skip over that sugar wine today because I can't do it. But you can, okay? Do it for me and Little Saint, okay? Yeah. But anyway, before we get into this very easy, beginner-friendly, glueless first look install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGSHOW. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is my first time working with this brand, and I'm really excited because I've heard so many good things about their hair. My girls Brittany and Sherelle have reviewed for them before, and their wigs always look immaculate. When you can tell a unit is high quality by watching a video, listen, get Daddy Papa on the line now. It looked really pretty on me just out the bag. So I want to kind of keep that same flow of my wig. But first I need to cut the lace off the back because I don't need that. Still come in with the bars. I am going to leave on the adjustable straps, and my elastic band is already in the wig and it's already on the last hook. It was pretty snug when I tried her on. I feel like this is a really good lace. I think I'll be able to tint her after the fact. I don't think I need to tint it. Should I tint it before? I think it should be fine. It may be a little ashy in the natural sunlight, so I will tint it on top, but as far as putting product under it, I think it'll be fine. This is how that back is looking. The wig is fully on my head. As y'all know, I am big head gang. My head is 23 inches, so this cap is fitting. It's a little short on my size. I would definitely say it's giving definitely big head associate. I can feel the snugness from the elastic band, but hopefully when I cut off my lace, it'll kind of loosen a little bit. Let me pull it down. There we go, pull it down there. That feels a little better. I don't have a lot of lace, so it's pretty much just cutting it right off the ear tab area. Now that I'm thinking about it, I was so excited to put the wig on. I didn't wash it, and I didn't give it a whole bath. The wig doesn't have a strong chemical smell, but I do suggest you wash all of your wigs before you put it on your head. I am in a rush today because my son has a game. If you have been following me on Instagram, then you know that he got hurt about a month ago and he hasn't officially played his first high school game yet. Today will be his first official game. We gotta look good as a unit, so I gotta make sure I'm presentable and not gonna be looking crazy like I do when I go for practice. I be in my bonnet and everything. I mean, I be in the car, but I still be in my bonnet because, I mean, so I'm gonna give a little shock and awe when I walk into the stands in case I run into y'all. Okay, so cut that in 3. Cut my lace off. Is that squirrel? Is that my grass guy? No, he ain't here yet. Right around. Why am I seeing NSYNC? They was at the awards. I wish it was Backstreet Boys, but semantics. My glasses on. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline to mold it down and also help melt that lace. Why I put my glasses on? I don't know. Move it around, move it around. It's not gonna give it a strong hold. Molding the hairline. I'm gonna do a side part for this one as well. Probably not a defined part, but a definite side part for sure. They did send me a band. Okay, RPGSHOW, you know. All right, we like, oh no. It's a tie down. You too expensive to not have the Velcro. Please, please don't piss me off. Give me the Velcro. I'll tie it, That is tight. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Now for the hair, I'm gonna spray it down with some water. Okay, I didn't detangle the hair because again, I just popped it on my head out the pack. So I need to detangle it while I am brushing it once I find the actual brush. You will more than likely get your detangling or shedding, if any, during the co-wash or washing stage of this hair. work that around. To the tip, to the tip, to the tip. Never mind, never mind. Use my Camille Rose brush. Oh, that's dry back there. Let's get that. I think this hair is more of like a, it's not water wave, I don't think. It comes off more like a loose curl. Brush it out, brush it out. Scrunch it up. Break those curls up a bit. I just realized they don't have no clips. I'm gonna clip this side back right there. Then I'm gonna do this side. I'm pretty sure this brand is the big sister brand to My First Wig. The bands are similar. The wax stick they sent me has My First Wig on it. My First Wig is like the starter brand and they have cheaper options. But RPGSHOW is like, nah sis, you gonna pay for this. So yeah, if your funds are limited, this may be a window shopping option. But if you got some extra funds that you can release, and go ahead and check them out, okay? Scrunch the hair up, clip it back off my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of my makeup, diffuse the hair, and then we'll come back, fluff it, and see what the end result is. I think it's gonna be cute. Let me see what we looking like. Ooh, pretty. All right, let's take off the band. Oh, not Velcro, untie it, child. No product, no product. Bring my sides down, put my glasses over top the lace. Give me that extra security. Now I know when I step outside, you're gonna be able to see that. So I definitely need to tint it a little bit, but in front of my lights, she's looking pretty good. See that ashiness? Yeah, if I can see this on my light, when I step outside, it's gonna look exactly like that across the front. But because my light is hitting it right here, it's kind of blurring it out. I'm not gonna use my contour, that'll be a little bit too dark. I'm gonna use my excess foundation on my foundation brush. And then I'm gonna use my face powder, which I also use as my eye and my contour. And I'm gonna tint around my forehead just a tad bit, to bring some color back into that area. Not being heavy-handed, just a little around the hairline. There we go. Oh, wait a minute, that's curls. I'm gonna take off the clips. I'm still a little damp, so I'm gonna blow dry that down really quick. Wait a minute, let me get some water. My stomach is growling, I'm hungry. Ooh, the knots are looking good. Wait, what's that? Oh, that's where that stitch is. And it kind of created a part. I don't want that. Okay, y'all, so the final look, what we think? Don't all speak at once. This looks good. This is a definite out the pack, ready to slay type of wig. Although I didn't wash the wig, y'all still saw what I did to get to this point. Even putting the mousse on the hair, it will take you longer to dry this hair down than it is to actually install it and style it up. Yeah. 10 minutes. I did have a little bit of shedding with this wig, but no tangles. My wig is still glueless. As you can see, comb up under there, all the way around, yep, and all the way around here. RPGSHOW gives you something to pay for. The hairline is looking good, the knots are bleached, the lace is blended. It looks good, I'm here for it. And I think if you try this wig out for yourself, you will be too. The color, the curl, the texture. You gotta pay some ducats to look this good. I am more of a texture girl, but this curl color lace combo, I'm a believer. Am I going to the game in style or not? I may be getting me a sugar daddy today. Hi, Ken. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to RPGSHOW for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.